All right, so it has arrived and we're getting my bearers in. I'll show you how we space these out, and this is the start. Right, okay, so for the bearers, we want to attach the first logs to it. We've countersunk in and we've got our 5mm spacer. We've just found something that's 5mm. So, and I've gone for an 80mm screw, not the one they provided at 70, just to give us some bite. And we want it to sit just over . So if you've got an end that's not playing ball, use 2 straight edges, clamp it on and then hit it down. It'll find its way down and it'll save you splitting the logs. Alright, so what we've done, we've got the windows in temporarily. We haven't screwed anything down and we've slotted these in. It's nice because we can just now level up this frame to get it nice and plumb. The bottom one is a few millimeters out, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to build the rest of it, make it square, and we'll see where we go with that cheeky little bottom plank. Okay, so rookie mistake number 1. This finial on the end, they are beveled. So make sure you get them the right way around and don't do what we did, put them on and then find out the bevel is completely wrong. So whip them off, make sure the bevel is facing downwards and it'll follow the roof line. Here we go, so there's the old man. Looking good. The roof is getting there. A couple more rafters to put in, but it's looking sweet and it went together really nice. We put the air vents on the same side to give us some sort of OCD relief. The rafters are going in, so it's nice and tight, hugging well. They went in perfectly well and it's all squared up. So far so good. Right, so day one is done. We've got the structure up. The roof is on with the temporary cover. It's looking good, and this one is a 5 by 3 metre cabin. So we're onto the doors, and all it is lift them into position and hope they fit. Go. Okay, so here we are on the floor, and we've got a bit of an echo in here. The windows and the doors are all in nicely, and the door was a bit of a bitch to get in, but it went in the end. Like I said, we're down to the floor, and we've got some planks. Our bearers are 40 centimetres on centre, and the two end ones are 30s. I've been using a packer to start with, get the space in. So what we do, we just line them up. Hey, you'll notice with wood, it's never square. And when you line one end up, the other end is always out. So you've got to keep going down, press it down and tap it in. And after a while, you start abandoning the spacers, because you can pretty much do 2 mil by eye. Okay, so moving on to the storm braces, we have them here, and I'm going to put them on the inside. You can mount them on the outside, but I want to protect the wood as much as I can, so inside it's not going to be weathered. So what I've done, I've drilled an 8 mil hole top and bottom, and it has to go into the top wall log and the bottom, and I've pushed the bolts with a washer from the outside, and it's just going to be a simple case of hooking it up, and then we just take another washer and a bolt and tighten them up. So we've got a felt. Just a case of unwrapping it. This is 10 metres by 1 metre. And it looks like we've got rain coming in, so I want to do this job fast, but I want to do it right. We lay it out, and I've put 4 metres on a tape. Now I know on this board is 4 metres. So we want to cut it first before we put it onto the roof. And if we want to get precise about it, I use a set square and go up. I just put a couple of marks. And then we just go straight up with a line. And then roll it back. Now this one can either go straight on the roof, or we'll do 2 together. And that's it, job done. All finished, looks beautiful. And we'll see you on the next one.